So this is how to make passive income with your trucking business. For those of you that don't know, there's different ways to make passive income with trucks. One way is to have someone lease under your authority and charge them a small percentage per month to lease under your authority. Another way is through ads. For those that don't know, different cities and different companies run ads and they do it in different ways, obviously. I'm sure some of you have seen car ads for people that do delivery, like a company will pay you to advertise their company on your car while you're driving around the city for viewership, essentially. And it's the same concept for trucks. There's companies that advertise. They pay you out for the first of every month, the agreed on rate, and it's a great way to make passive income. So for me personally, when I first started, I didn't know that there was companies that advertise through truck ads, and when I found out, it was a very simple transition. The company came out, the wrapping company came out, wrapped my entire box in my truck, and we ended up setting up basically like a video driving down the strip in Las Vegas. A guy just filmed us driving throughout the strip back and forth for about a couple hours. So they paid us like $60 an hour. They did a large campaign in the city. I think they did 16 total box trucks. If I had more, it would have been more at the time. At the time, I only had one truck. So they paid us $500 monthly. We get paid every first of the month. And it's a great just passive income tool because obviously I don't do any work for it, and it's a great way to advertise a different company. With these ad payments per month, it's a great way to pay off a truck note, great way to put it towards your insurance, your fuel cost, whether personal or through business. It's an easy way to pay certain bills. One of my trucks it cost me $1,000 per month from my truck note, and I pay $500 on it every month. So technically I pay $500 for that truck per month. For smaller companies, for owner-operators, I would highly suggest it, mainly because it's just an extra source of income. Bigger trucking companies normally don't do paid ads because they want to advertise their own company, and of course all of us that are growing want to be able to advertise our own brand, our own names of our companies. You're starting out just like me and just like others with just a few trucks, just one truck, however many. You want to be able to make some extra income. So in every business, you want to think of as many ways to make money, especially the expenses that we have, whether it's fuel, whether it's truck payments, insurance, but you always want to make it easier on yourself by being able to produce passive income. And even with getting the monthly payment, if you don't want to put it towards your trucks or towards a certain payment every month, you can just put it aside in a separate account and just let it stack for the entire year and put that towards a bigger payment that you may have. And as owner operator, it could be a personal expense, it could be a business expense, but it's just a great way to stack money. After the company wrapped our trucks, we signed for a year contract, and I actually just talked to the guy of the company that finds these contracts. He mentioned that they were coming up with some new ones soon. I told him that I wanted to advertise on my other trucks. He also sent me a device to better show how many faces are seeing the advertisements, the viewership for it, and they're trying to extend the contract. But I'm hopeful that they extend it and they'll bring new contracts for my other two trucks that I currently have. This was just an opportunity that I want to explain to you all that are owner operators that have a few trucks that want to make more passive income that you already may be making, or if you aren't making any at all. Because believe it or not, there's many people that don't know that you can advertise on your trucks. If you guys have any additional ways that you know how to make money with the trucks, reach out, let me know. I'd love to incorporate some more ideas into my business. I appreciate all the comments and likes and subscribes that I've been getting lately. Very appreciative, grateful, proud of the community that we're building right now on my channel, and more videos on the way. And like I always say, bet on your resiliency, keep grinding, keep pushing, like I always talk about, and see you on the other side. Taking a sip of some juice, trying to get hydrated, Oh yeah, no, it's in a glass because it's like highly purified juice, but